What if you could start your day feeling more refreshed and energized with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated march. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine with your core engaged, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide as you continue lifting your legs from right to left, moving at your own pace, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your obliques. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a toe touch. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a leg extension, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue with this movement, flowing through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, releasing tension through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into another lateral stretch variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, moving into seated sun salutations. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead or as high as comfortable. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer and release, returning to center. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling a little more refreshed and more energized for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.